Hello! The topic of our video today is using the import function in Dative. So, first ingredient you need is a spreadsheet. The only support that we have right now for import is for spreadsheets that look kind of like this one, that are organized in rows rather than in columns. I know some people do it the other way around though, so we might work on expanding that. My rows and columns here are, each row is an individual item, each column is a field from Dative. You can give them different titles as well and just change them on import, but it streamlines it just a tiny bit if you leave it like this, so I am. You can use your comments, normal sort of data elicited, lister, speaker, and tags and stuff. For elicitor and speaker, anyways, what you need to do is open a little add a form thing to sort of kickstart its knowledge of who its speakers, elicitors, and what its tags are. So since, actually, no, it's just the speaker and elicitor. Since they're drop-down menus, that is important for it. I know it's a little strange, but it's easy enough to do. Alright, so you have your spreadsheet, you download it as a comma-separated file, like this one here, and then you head on over to Dative and you say forms, import, and it has one that it remembers, so I need to close this. I might just refresh the page then. When in doubt, always just refresh. And there's also the chance to double check any data that you need to double check before you do the import. So don't worry too much about this stage. It's not permanent. All right. So it's read my spreadsheet in. It's realized that my labels are the same as its labels, so it's happy about that. It just automatically populates them. If any of them are off, you can choose from the drop down. It'll be pretty straightforward. All right, so it all looks pretty normal. There's no weird character problems so far. Validate selected means it'll check all of my fields, and it says that I haven't yet created the tag relations. So I can do that really quickly in here. Alright, and now that's cleared me of errors and warnings. It is perfect and innocent. I might just want to preview one or two to see that they look about right. And that does look about right to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and say import selected, and you can watch it tick through its successful imports, and it smacks a little tag on all of them so that you can keep track of which import it was. Alright, and that's pretty much it. It's as straightforward as that. You can close this and have a look at your beautiful, easy peasy imported fields. Data, that is. Alright, thanks for listening.